It's Friday, July 16th, 2021, and you're watching the Paper Call Report, brought to you by OfferVault, the largest affiliate offer directory in the universe. First, we have our top categories. Home services dominates in first place on the top categories list. It was a tight race between legal and insurance this week, as they were within a few percentage points of each other. But legal came in second, while insurance remained in the third position. Trailing behind the top three categories, we have financial services as well as personal insurance. Financial services holds strong in the fourth position, and personal insurance remains in fifth place. Now we have our top offers. NetFly holds the #1 spot for the third week in a row with its trucking accident calls campaign. Aragon Advertising and its IRS tax debt relief campaign overtook addiction marketing specialists for the second place position. Aragon Advertising pops up again on our top offers list as it claims the fourth position with their Vivint Home Security campaign. DigitalCalls.com claims fifth place with their legal campaign for foreclosure defense, and for direct links to the OfferVault campaigns, verticals, and more, be sure to check out the Ringba blog to find all the details. A link will be available in the comments below. Now it's time for our top networks. Hyper-target marketing dominates the top networks list, remaining in the #1 spot. LeadSmart separates itself from the pack, holding firm in second place. Market Call overtook Aragon Advertising for the third spot. eLocal remains in the fifth position. This week, 5 out of the top 5 pay-per-call networks are Ringba customers. We'd like to thank our friends over at OfferVault again for providing us with up-to-the-minute market data, as well as helping us analyze the latest changes in the pay-per-call industry. Now it's time for our pay-per-call trends. For more market insights, we turn to Kevin De Vincenzi, founder and CEO of Rapid Response Marketing. Kevin, what are the top 3 industries you think will see an increase in pay-per-call?
Jordan, that's a good question. I think home services, as you've seen, has been growing week over week. I see it on your show as well. I think that's going to continue to grow. I think legal also is a big vertical. It died off for a little bit, but it's back pretty strongly. And moving, because, with the memorandum expiring now at the end of July, you're going to have a lot of people that are going to need a new home. So I think moving is going to be a really hot vertical as well. We just launched our new site, A1 Moving Quotes. We're putting a big focus on it because I think that's going to be an emerging market for at least 9 months, maybe a year.
Thanks, Kevin. Now it's time for our pay-per-call opportunities. My Health Angel, a performance-based marketing company targeting seniors, is looking for publishers generating true inbound calls in Medicare insurance and final expense. They'll also take Medicare insurance leads, and if you're interested, please reach out to your Ringba representative or send an email to sales@ringba.com for more details. Elite Calls is seeking seasoned search publishers for their internal pay-per-call campaigns. Their verticals include inbound calls for Medicare, health insurance, and moving inbounds. If you're interested, please reach out to your Ringba representative or send an email to sales@ringba.com to learn more. Now it's time for our pay-per-call careers. Ringba is looking for more salespeople to join our amazing team. No industry experience or college degree is required, just a positive attitude, a desire to learn, and a willingness to put clients first, always. Our salespeople can make unlimited commissions, travel around the world, and they have the freedom to work anywhere they want. If you're interested, email sales@ringba.com to learn more. My Health Angel, a performance-based marketing company targeting seniors, is hiring a pay-per-call operations specialist. Ringba experience is a huge plus. If you're interested, reach out to hr@myhealthangel.com. Now it's time for our news and announcements. Affiliate Summit East is here, and if you're heading to New York for ASE this weekend, the Ringba team would love to meet you. We're going to be there from July 19th to the 20th, and you can find us at the Meat Market at table number 2000, right by the entrance. Thank you for watching this week's episode of the Paper Call Report. Be sure to tune in every Friday afternoon to stay on top of changes in the industry. If you're a Ringba customer and would like to be featured on the show, please contact your Ringba representative so that we can set that up. Ringba is the call tracking platform trusted by industry-leading pay-per-call companies. Connect your online marketing to your offline sales and get the data you need to drive revenue with Ringba. To learn more about how Ringba is changing the future of pay-per-call, visit www.ringba.com.